जय माता दी गाइस। आवाज़ बहुत तेज़ करनी पड़ेगी मुझे. Simple reason is because main engine is running. Now today we have opened up a main air compressor for inspection of the walls. Now out here you can see number one main air compressor. This is the suction filter hood, right? So today we have removed the cover, and that is how a piston looks like. To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं, and for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो MND Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos, watch these videos as per rank, and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. ये यहाँ से एयर अंदर आती है through the filter inside, and this is a piston. Now see carefully. It is rotating. It is going down, and it is coming up. This is the piston. ये देखो ऊपर आ रहा है, ध्यान से देखो. Now when we are rotating it manually, it is coming up and now going down. Now going down. Going down. Okay. Now this is the liner. This is the liner and this is the piston. Okay guys? So air is coming from the top like this inside. Then when it is compressed, it is going from here through this hole into the intercooler over here. Air cooler intercooler में जाके ठंडी होती है. It gets cooled down. Over here we can see the first stage pressure, and then it goes into the second stage piston. Now guys, see carefully. That second stage piston is very small as compared to first stage. Just half the size. Simple reason is because when we have compressed the air, the volume has reduced. Now see, this is the second stage. This is the piston second stage. Over here, this inside. Now you will see the movement of piston happening inside. Yes. So piston is moving inside the liner, right? So this is the liner and this is the piston. And now the air is coming over here through this hole. Over here, air is coming from the first stage through the intercooler from this part. It is getting compressed inside, and then from here it is going into the after cooler. So this is the inlet and this is the outlet, and then it goes into the after cooler, and from after cooler, this is the after cooler fitted over here. It goes into the after cooler, and after that it goes into the separator, water separator, and then it gets discharged out. Here we have got a fusible plug as we had told earlier, and we have got high discharge air temperature trip as well for compressor. Now let's have a close look at what kind of a filter it is. This is the air filter. This is the air filter that we put inside this cover over here. This black cover. And the first stage valve is something like this. It's a heavy valve guys, not possible to lift easily. This is a big valve. This O-ring is put because this part is the suction part for the first stage, and this is the delivery part, this part. Okay guys? And this is the second stage compressor. Now look at the size difference guys. Look at the size difference. First stage compressor is approximately 1.5 times that of the second stage. Then again, this is the suction side and this is the discharge side guys. Top it. These are the covers fitted on top. And so the first stage compressor that you have seen over here has been removed. Over here, this is the first stage piston over here, you can see. So when this piston is taking suction from over here, but when it is discharging over here. From here, it comes over here the air. The first stage here gets compressed and comes over here, and it goes into the intercooler tubes. So basically the tubes over here are carrying air over here. There is air inside over here. Okay? And these tubes are being cooled by the jacket water. This is a jacket which contains water inside. You can see the tube stack, guys. So this is all jacket. It is containing water. So air comes from first stage, compressed, goes into the air cooler, intercooler. From here the air passes and comes over here. The air comes over here, then from here it enters into the first stage water separator, that is this one, and I have kept it open, you can see it over here. So the air from first stage comes over here, it enters inside this, the first stage separator, and then comes over here and goes into the second stage. You can see over here, guys. So this is the second stage. From here, air is coming into the second stage section over here. It gets compressed over here, then from here it gets compressed and goes into the after cooler over here. It goes into the after cooler, and from after cooler it comes out over here